Reverend Atwebembirema yuko biraryo muri Sawa St Andrews Kabushaho Church of Uganda mu Western Kore Diocese akwasirwe polisi ya Bushenya ari kutekateka kuba torobwizo mu yagiwe kibina cya Mushanju akabushaho primary school mu Rubushenyi nuko agambirweho ati
The police station is holding a suspect one Reverend Atwebembire Michael, a male adult, 53 years, on aggravated defilement under CRB 721 of this year, and it is alleged he defiled a pupil.
Kageraho teacherzana akachikwa ka management kageraho teacherzana na hirficha ngabahereza reports izabistashiri
tangu urufranda tubasa koresha kukeje mu hamwe kandi isho mariya patisha mu yabana bajya kushogisa abana sawo ni ndeba umushongeje baramukatimba y'amani ukakiwa kunamanya wewe umwahore witumanya
Gwanyuma y'ebitugerezo kwenda kutunga byorwaje rwa mukuru w'ishomereryo abwebe mugambirweho yabanza kubuza diwo wa Bushenya asumu diwo yabanwe yatugaruka masumu ahabatura borekera abanyadini nabo kubarengeserizo mu bushambani
wende information eje kwatariye bivireho nje bahereze barabo office naba makuru harimo abunkumanya nabuntakumanya that you go to the police.
Then you report on what the CCP is still under investigation. You report what the RPC has told you.
Yes.
And it will jeopardize the investigations and all that. That's my thinking.
Nyowe nishaba polisi ekore okuchondoza okwishikire bashanga ngo Reveranda namazima umwana mukozizi mazima agumizibwe kandi bashanga kirye cishuba ayine kuba nabutoka.
By coincidence, this incident is happening nearby the same school yesterday again where a teacher defiled and he was arrested, and then he ended up committing suicide after the arrest.
Ahirwa mu rukiko rw'abakuristayo bo burisa bwa Bweranyangi aha kugambwa kuba biresherekire bwa nyuma yo kwecengera kuba ariyo bamuhiga abweciko rweci polisi nabishomere tubenzero mu cyo kurebeka kamera amakuru agasha kwa Ben Muhozi.